for Tesla's Halloween pit bike party. It's actually Thursday right now. The party was supposed to be on Saturday, and we're getting like a gnarly storm this weekend, so the party's getting moved from Saturday to Friday. So no complaints on this side. We're still all gonna show up and be there, but today is the day a lot of you guys have been waiting for. Luke Broski, he is on his way here right now. We rode my track 2 days ago and we didn't film it. We just kind of cruised, spun a few laps, see how it was. And Broski almost hit the double in front of me. And I was like, no, like I was almost like, I didn't want him to hit it because I wasn't filming that day and I want to get the entire process of him hitting this double on film because so many people have been ripping him apart about not hitting it. I mean, probably thanks to me, but anyways, he was kind of complaining about the face the other day, how it was like kind of rutted up and just hasn't been groomed in a while, rain down and everything. So I'm gonna go get the tractor right now, groom up the face of that jump and probably a couple other turns just to make it, you know, prime time today. And by the time I'm done with that, a few people should be here and hopefully Broski is gonna send this double today. Blue Ford tractor's got a nice flat front tire, so. We got Broski in the cut. Yo, getting sketchy already. I like it. What's up, boys? We got you guys in the vlog. What up?
What up, bro?
You guys haven't been in any of my videos, have you?
No.
Maybe some Jackson skate park videos.
Yeah.
I don't know about you. You might have been in one or two. But we're shredding today. Little Eddie Rovey. Here's Broski's first run up. Oh my God! I thought you were hitting it. Damn! Right through the water.
I'm impressed.
Okay. That was sick.
Yeah.
He just doubled in from that inside. Here's Broski's run up number 2. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, he sent it. Boys, how sketchy was that? On a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being sketchy. That was like a 7. Oh, Broski.
Bro, that was one of the scariest things I've done in my life, and I've done a lot of scary things, dude. Driving to work in the morning is scary for me sometimes. Oh, give me some skin though. I hit it. Donzi can't even talk. He's like, you hit it, but.
Well, now you just gotta hit it clean, dude.
Dude, it's like a national track out there.
Dude, it is.
So many ruts.
Especially after the single over there, like after this
That's what motivated
landing.
me to hit this, dude. The way the track is right now, I wish we could just keep it like.
Yeah.
God, we could fucking, dude. We would have won that Mega
What?
Millions.
Oh, it rained? Yeah, she's gonna need to get ripped up after.
If we would have won that Mega Millions, we could have built a fucking house over this so that it would never get wet, dude.
Well, that's what we're gonna do from now on. We're all gonna play the Mega Millions and hope we can build a bubble over the track. God damn, we cased the shit out of it. Woo! Mike, you know what time it is. Mike.
What's up, big dog?
I got him. Yo, Mike, he got here.
It's time.
You should just like hit it.
Yo, it's not time for nothing.
It's time for Mike to hit it.
Fucking
What up, Pesci?
What's up?
You ready, Mike? Get on your pit bike. Start eyeing her up.
I already ironed it up. Still on now.
Yeah, now I can talk all I want. You better, man.
I saw that. You finally hit the double. Well, now it's time to get Mike to hit it.
I know. I thought he was gonna. That's why I just
go hit it right in front of him. Just make sure he sees you hit it. You know, go make a statement. Oh my God. We got a full moto going on out here. JP just took the lead. Oh, Luke.
I needed my run. I couldn't see my run.
You just bailed on the moto like that? This guy. Here he comes, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Mike, you're up, dog. Yep. It's no bigger, it's just steeper. Watch out, Luke's about to hit it. He even got the little leg whip in there. Steel clicker for the boys. Let's go, Mike. Oh! Broski's go fast attempt number 1.
Oh yeah! Throw that in the garbage.
Yeah.
Yahtzee.
We're not gonna punk out again, are we, Mike?
What?
We're not gonna punk out again, are we?
Yeah, we are.
Mike.
You almost hit it behind me? Let's go, MDG! Weezy F, what if Lil Wayne was standing here right now and was like, yo, you walk around and people calling you Weezy F MDG, but you won't hit the double? Nigga, watch my trade flip, nigga, trade flip! You got
Nah, we got one kid with balls.
Pitbike, dude. For real though, it's no bigger than it used to be. It's just steeper.
Dude, Ryan is not hitting it,
0%
and
chance.
Tyler is not hitting it.
Well,
So,
Ryan
for
says his
sure,
pit
I'm not-
bike's
dude,
clapped.
If you ride this thing,
This
it
thing rattles.
feels like
so
it's
I
a
don't think it'll make it,
1980.
dude.
Damn. Was that Jesse threw a knack? I thought that was Eddie. Duo knacks. Jesse's giving them all the pep talk. Mike, this should be you, dude.
Nope.
Oh, here goes T-Car. Ooh. Here he goes. Let's see if T-Car hits it. There you go. Easy. Easy money. There you go.
Wow, it's really that time, boys.
It's really that time.
I gotta get going home.
I gotta get going home. Hey, easy, right?
That's the easiest jump on the track.
That's what I was telling you before.
Did you see that? I came up to that thing like going a $120 and I got that thing perfectly on the downside. I want to do it again.
So we're back at my shop now. Had a fun time ripping with everybody. The track is gnarly right now. We got the pit bikes cleaned up.
Broski, to cut your mama up, the double champion.
The double champ. How's it feel, Luke? Do you feel accomplished? You finally hit it?
My
it's
stomach
easy,
still
right?
hurts, dude.
It's
I lost
easy
sleep
though,
for
right?
like a week over that thing. It was so fun. Easy. It honestly might be the easiest jump on the track.
We got some work to do. Luke, you have to spin your tubes on your rim. Show YouTube why, and I'll explain. Because we go big on pit bikes. We want to do this for sure, so you don't rip the valve stem out. Let all the air out of the tube, just like Broski did. And then ready? Watch. You're definitely gonna see that.
Wow. Oh, I just smashed your camera.
It's all good. That's pretty good right there, yeah?
I just, dude. See, I
And
am
then the
smart.
Windex will dry, you know. Here we go, peeps. So I'm here. This thing's adjusted all the way out, so there's nothing else I could do. So anybody on YouTube that's pulling into the bar, the front brake, and that's fully adjusted out. So now, my brake, she feels good. I can actually probably loosen it. Let's fire her up. Sounded kind of funny, but I guess not. Check it out. Everything's fresh but this tire for tomorrow. All these knobbies ripping off. Even raced the K-Rock pit bike race like that, but I got plenty of tires right here. I gotta switch them on. Not tonight though, but that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Pit bikes are prepped, ready for Kessler's tomorrow. Luke, what do you think, bro?
I cannot wait. I hit the double.
Yeah,
Good.
finally hit the double today, so Luke can sleep.
Confidence booster.
Yeah, Luke can sleep tonight on that. So you guys could go to his Instagram and roast him now for taking this long to hit it or something. So yeah, tomorrow, Kessler's pit bike race. Last year, the P-Dub went in the pond. He's got a flat right now. We'll see if we could get a change for tomorrow. We'll see what happens. It's gonna get a little crazy there tomorrow night. So we'll catch you then. If you guys like this one, if you guys enjoyed watching Broski send the double, give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.